Hello, today we've got a baby white knight tumble dryer. It is a 3 kilo and it's model CL372VW if I remember rightly. We've got a load of darks to dry which I've just washed in a hot point WM63. So I'm going to chuck them in for about an hour on high heat. Standard little white knight filters in the front. Here goes the sock, that's gone forever. Got high heat, low heat, rocker switch on the right hand side. Keep that on high heat, and we're going to go for an hour on the timer. Etc, etc, you get the picture. Apologies that there's a bit of a reflection in the door glass. It's quite difficult to film with it being a dark load. Anyway, that's what it's going to do for the next hour, tumble one way, or even back and forth. So yeah, thanks if you have enjoyed, I'll see you next time.